Hey guys, your boy Jameson back here with another video. Frick, I didn't even notice a tree was there. No, I seriously didn't know there was a tree right there. But, we got a very good team right here. Do y'all want to see? Because even if you say no, I'll take that as a yes. So we got Venus, Resort, Lag, Easter, Anti, and Duality, bro. Don't tell me that ain't bad. Don't tell me that ain't bad, bro. That's good. It's freaking beautiful. It's just the most beautiful team you'll ever see. Just look at this man. Even he's happy about it. Oh, where did he come from? Anyways, funny story, guys. So I didn't have Anti. I traded Anti and some others for Duality. But funny story. I was just walking. I was just chilling as Venus till I crossed right here, and there was a random water cup. I thought it was just glitched, but nah. You could pick it up, and everyone just ignored it. I was like, yeah, is this my lucky day today, bro? Wow. So I drank it, and now I got my Anti back. And I am very happy about it. Somebody say, mysterious. I'm just joking. But, yeah, that's the funny story. And now I just have a good team now. Don't tell me it's bad. Don't. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. The only thing that would be beautiful, and it's just one Somebody make this a meme. God, that angle, bro. That angle weird. Why are you staring at me like that? Broski is horrifying. Bro is horrifying. What is happening with me? Shoot, man, I can't get the angle again. Hold up, I bet I can do it, get it back again. Hello, Katie, what's a free candy? God dang, bro. This is more like memes. Anyway, speaking of memes, we got this dude. We still got the lag. We still got the legendary man. Also this legendary man. Bro's just throwing egg bombs everywhere. Just look at this, bro. Exploding. Plus I just paint someone. Plus I just throw it like a paintbrush spear. That's going right through them. 3 eggs for everybody. Psychic kills you. I really like Duality. Just because of its phase 2 when it dies. It's very good. Kill me. Kill me. I said do it now. You're doing a huge dep to me right now, man. Anyways, goodbye, man. One, I love this dude because, well, he's cool looking. I just love his face too. Just look at this, man. Bro would be troll. Frick, what's his name? Headless Trollsman's pet. Anyways, just look at this. POV, a random kidnapper sees you. Hello, Katie. Just. Did I hear a random child. Whee! Oh god dang you, bro. He's eating. Whee! I managed to get out of it, but I'm still frozen. Ah, you dare eat him? Frick, no, he's coming to eat me now. Too bad I have fast speed. Just that. Come at me, boy. Oh, frick, he ain't messing around. Ah, frick. Dude, I would say he's good for just traveling. Just look at this man. Traveling deep into the forest, boys. Guys, is that Freddy Fazbear? Anyways, let's go back to Nightcrawler and just smash him now. Slam dunk! Hey, bro, you want to see my basketball move? Basketball move. Oh! Frick, no! No! He broski ate me. Bro's chomping too much. Anyways, yay! That giant sword looks pretty cool. That laser beam too. What's that light for, bro? Light wheel. Boom. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video, guys. And make sure